Fifth Amendment right to remain silent. It applies to both the innocent and the guilty. And oftentimes when people open up their mouth and start talking, there's inconsistent physical evidence out there. There's inconsistencies within the statements. And really, I don't know how she even gets around the fact that she says that she hit him over the head with an object. I mean, that's halfway there, if you ask me. The body's found in her home. His head is gone and never found. And then there's his property that's found hidden throughout her home with forensic evidence tying her to those items. So her inconsistencies is a start. Then just excluding the husband, the decedent's son, as what we're hearing right now about the phone and the canvas.
Where does that leave her in terms of these murder charges? Because I think it's clear the blunt force to the head did leave a mark on the head, but clearly the death was caused by the severing of the head. Where would that leave her if the jury believes that, hey, he was trying to come on to me, I wasn't into that, that's not what this was about, and I hit him over the head with a stick?
Well, Mike, it can be a passion provocation manslaughter. It could be knocked down, assuming that there's an adequate provocation without a cooling off period. But that's going to be very fact sensitive, and that's going to be her to really lay that fact pattern down, because based on these statements, she doesn't say it was because of that I hit him over the head and then decapitated him. She's actually just saying I had nothing to do with the murder or the decapitation. It's just that. So potentially, if it was an adequate provocation and the jury finds that a reasonable person would have been provoked in that manner, it could potentially get her down into the manslaughter world.
Yeah, but in order to get there, she's going to have to get up there and tell her story, right? And that doesn't seem to be the direction the defense is going. And I don't think, just from the sort of inconsistent statements we've heard already, they're going to want to put her on the stand.
Agreed. She cannot get that out because, you know, she didn't give it in the statement. And sometimes I'm critical of prosecutors in playing defendant statements that get out self-serving statements. But this one is probative for the prosecutor because she doesn't go any further than the hit to the head. Now, this decedent is found in her home. Not very many suspects that could fit this mold. And that's why they're doing what they're doing about her new husband, who is also the son of the decedent, to try to seal him up with that phone. The cell towers show he's home. The canvassing shows that his car's not leaving. It gets them almost there to exclusion, because I'm in agreement with you. Sometimes the phones tell half a story.